My name is Abigail Jamison Clark, and I'm an accredited scientist of MIT. If I wasn't telling you the truth, then I would lose my science license. Climate change is over. It turns out that all the fuels that are being used right now aren't fossil fuels. They're actually fossil fuel replacements that are called Synthetix Eco zero-emission fuels, which is something that I invented. Now, these fuels don't have any emissions, and that doesn't mean that they still emit and we just take it out of the atmosphere and make more fuel. The fuels aren't made to have carbon emissions or any kind of emissions whatsoever. In addition to this, we're taking out tons and tons of carbon from the atmosphere, gigatons in fact, every day, and this means that the air quality has been restored to pre-industrial levels. Also, I-7 Intelligence Agency and private military uses weather and climate manipulation techniques to go ahead and fix the climate so that it's not overly hot, and it would be a lot hotter if not for I-7. Thank you for your time.